So this is a sewing vlog. Welcome. Today we are sewing a dress. Well, it might not be a one-day project because I do have to work at 12, so we'll see what happens. But I'm going to update you guys on the progress of making this dress, so let's go. So the materials you need for this particular project: 2 meters of white cotton, 3.5 meters of light pink cotton, an invisible zipper, preferably 18 inches long. Mine's 22 inches. I have to make it smaller because I didn't have one small enough. Some thin lace, some thin gross grain ribbon in pink, some slightly thicker gross grain ribbon in pink. You'll need pink ribbon, white ribbon, pink bias tape that matches the fabric, 2 different well, I have 2 just in case. I just stocked up on elastic and thin elastic, and of course whatever you're making a pattern out of. So here's the basic pattern. So you have the front, which will be white, the sides, which will be pink, and then I just drew up the bows and the lace for ideas. Here's our basic sleeve. I actually have a tutorial on how to make puff sleeves, so I'll link that in the description bar down below. And right here, sorry you can't see, it's really dark in here, but this is the back pattern. So we'll just use that. And for the skirt, we're just doing the rectangle method, so yeah. Patterns are cut out. This is the back pattern, this is the front pattern. There's the sleeve, there's the random stuff in the background. So now at the sewing machine, we are going to sew across all these lines. So it'll take a little while, but you'll see what happens. Not sure if I mentioned this already, but also fold the insides of your fabric into each other like this. That way you'll have a smooth top seam because this is the top of the back. And then you're going to sew a smaller line here. That way the thin fabric thread elastic can go inside of there. So yeah. So you're going to thread the elastic through the top. You're going to skip one, thread the elastic, skip one, thread one, thread, skip, skip, blah, blah, blah. You get the point. Okay. Some people out there working on it. Okay, so in vlog, so we're taking a break from making the bodice because I messed up and I measured wrong because I didn't use my mannequin because I didn't want to take my cosplay off of the mannequin because it's a pain in the butt to take off. So I accidentally measured the shirt too small, so that was the thin. So now we're working on the skirt. Well, the skirt part, so yeah. We are going to sew these 2 rectangles together just down this one seam here, so it'll be one giant rectangle. And then with these were the bottom halves I like from it because they weren't part of the length. So with the excess, I folded them in half and we're going to make them ruffles for the bottom. So yeah. Okay, so a little bit more explanation. I sewed both the ends of this together so it looks like one giant rectangle thin. So we have a seam down this way, seam down this way, and we hem to the bottom. Probably can't see it, but you know, whatever. So up here on the non-hem part, the raw edge, we are going to do a wide straight stitch. So put your sewing machine on the widest side and do a straight stitch, and it will help make it all bunched together so we get that skirt flowy part. And then after that, we are going to attach the ruffles we made. And I also ironed them, so that way they stay ruffly. So yeah. We're also going to make the same ruffles, same length, out of the white fabric as well, because we are doing 2 rows of ruffles, one pink and one white, so do that too. Okay, so on vlog, back to business. On right now, widest side, straight stitch, and so.
Probably walking home.
Wow. Hey, someone vlog! here's the progress on the skirt part. Oh, okay, camera's running out of film in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, sew-in vlog. Okay, so I haven't caught up you guys in a while. So I did finish the dress, but there's a lot to be done before it's finished. So I'm gonna show you guys the dress. There's a lot I need to fix. There's a lot of things on it that I don't like, so I'm gonna fix those up. I'm just gonna show you guys the mistakes and yeah. So here's the dress. Doesn't look too bad on camera, like just hanging up, it looks fine, you know, it looks good. But the way it fits my body isn't right. Insert pictures somewhere on the screen. But there's some things I'm gonna fix, so I'm gonna show you guys. First, these bows. Ew! I made them in a rush. I know they look awful. I already planned on fixing those, so ignore that. I need to take in the waist. It is like the bodice, like the entire top. I need to take that in, cinch it, make it fit my body, make it hug it, fit any kind of curve I have in my body. I don't really think there's much, but it's definitely too baggy on me. And it's too long. I need to sew this up here so it'll fit better and also help give it the oomph that it needs. I need to iron down the ruffles because they're going all kinds of wonky doodle donkey over here. And the sleeves are way too long for my puff sleeve. I need to make them puffier and I want to make them shorter because they're going to be off the shoulder. And that's about everything I need to fix. I might add any extra details. Maybe I'll add like lace here somewhere or add lace to the sleeves. I'm not sure. I don't have any lace at the moment, but that's what we want to fix. So have fun on this journey with me and fixing this Lolita dress. And so I did finish it about 2 days ago, but I decided to take a break. That way I could go back in with a fresh mind. I wouldn't be annoyed at anything that I messed up because you can always fix it. Just take like a day or two break. It's okay. And yeah, so it's been like 2 days. I'm ready to fix it. I worked for a few days, so I was also too busy to fix it if I needed to, and my wrist is still tendonitis and it sucks, but it comes and goes, so we'll see what happens, and let's just get down to business. Welcome to Stitch Ripping with Jaiden. So, we've got to stitch rip a couple things on this dress. I need to take off every single bow attachment that I made, because I definitely need to remake these bows, like I already said. Take off Mr. Big Bow. I think he looks fine, but I just need to take him off so I can take her in the waist, and we're going to completely take off the bottom of the dress. So, that's where we're at, so we're just gonna stitch rip together. Smile. Cute day. Cute day. I love cute day. Oh, I wonder if that's gonna be a third theme song. I think I turned it down a bit except for film, but I'm gonna keep it on because it's still in my head. Okay, so I finally finished stitch ripping. So we have the top separated, and our big old skirt part is separated. All the bows and stuff are off in my messy desk. You don't need to look at that. So I also took off the zipper because I'm gonna have to redo the zipper if I'm making the shirt completely smaller. So we are going to take in this side, this side, this side, and where our zipper was. We're not touching anything to do with the front though, because the front already has lace on it and the front fits perfectly fine. It's just the sides and the back that need fixing. So we'll be fixing that, and I'm also going to make the sleeves shorter on this. So that's the task of the day. Yes, I have the exact same song on repeat. It's in my head, deal with it. So we're going to take this in, and I thought I'd show you guys just because it's a sew-in vlog, and I really want sew-in vlogs to be a thing. I wish people did these. Like, I can't seem to find any. Maybe I'm not searching the right thing. I don't know. Maybe I didn't even look. Who knows? But I really like the idea of sew-in vlogs. I think it's a cute idea, you know. You just get to see the person sew. You can see their mistakes, see how they choose to fix it. And I think it's a learning experience, so yeah. my head maybe. It's always in my head. Okay, so I realized taking off the zipper was completely pointless because I don't have to take that side in. So, put the zipper back on. And I accidentally sewed it too small this time, which is why I didn't do like tight stitching or anything. So I will undo it and do it until it fits. So there you go. And my wrist hurts, so I might take a break soon, but we'll see. Hey Sewing Vlog! Okay, so I have this shirt on right now, the shirt part of it. So here are the sleeves. I was thinking about maybe having them up, but then I realized it was really tight. Not sure why. I don't know, it looks fine up obviously, so like I'm not too concerned. So I can wear it up or I can wear it down. So I shortened the sleeves, as you can tell. I think they do look better, so that's good. They do take a bit of adjusting though, but what can you do? So I fixed the zipper, it's more invisible now, and as you can see I took in the bodice, it fits way better. Here, I'll lower the camera. That's a better view. So as you can see, it does fit better. It's more form-fitting. Last time it was really like baggy. I might do darts at the side. I'm not sure. It depends how it all goes when I sew on the skirt portion. But this is it. And there's the back. I might add waist ties when I attach the skirt part. We'll see. But I think it's looking way better. So there you go. Hey, Sewing Vlog. Wait, the light looks funky. No, it's fine. I said that weird. Hey Sewing Vlog! Okay, so we have finished the dress, and don't mind the sewing machine sounds in the background. My sister's just making a cosplay. So the dress is complete! I'm very happy with how it turned out this time. The first time it was a bust, but I fixed everything, and as you can tell, it looks way better. Like, look at this. These bows are much nicer. See? Because I actually machine sewed them. This one's a little wonky, but you just pull it and it fixes. See, the bows are nice. I stuck with this bow still because I like it. The sleeves are smaller and poofier. Always cute. I shortened the, I forgot the name, bodice waist thin, yeah, top. And I fixed the ruffles down here, the not so cray cray. And I think it looks really good. And then the back here. Sometimes, like, okay, when I wear the back does look a little weird, but that's okay. So we have my shearing, because it stretches a lot on me because of my wide shoulders. So the top shear does stretch weird, the bottom doesn't really stretch, but that's not a problem. So yeah, overall, this was a fun project. It took a couple days to make. I did have a little break period in between. Just take a break. Always take a break when you're sewing, just so you can come back, look at it with a fresh mind, and you can fix anything. And I'm really proud of this, so now I can actually wear this, and I'll have another dress I can wear, and it doesn't look as cheap as I thought it would, so I'm really happy, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this sewing vlog. Let me know if you want to see more sewing vlogs, and yeah, sewing tutorials as well. Just, yeah. Okay, toodles, love you, bye! Peace, heart, I love you guys, bye! Peace out, homies.